Want to have some fun by putting your face in someone else's video? Or maybe you want to prank your friends with a hilarious face swap clip? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to face swap in any video using Edimakor, one of the easiest tools out there. Step 1. Download and install Edimakor. First things first, download and install Edimakor from the official website. I've added the link in the description below. It's available for both Windows and Mac. Once installed, open Edimakor and click on New Project to get started. Step 2. Open AI Face Swap and choose your mode. Next, click AI Video and select Face Swap. Here you'll see 3 options: Swap Faces in Videos, Swap Faces in Photos, and Multiple Face Swap. Choose the option that suits your needs. I'll go with Video Face Swap. Now, upload the video where you want to swap faces and click on Face Recognition. Step 3. Detect faces and swap. Once your video is loaded, Edimakor will automatically detect faces in the video. Select the face you want to swap and upload your photo. You can swap up to 4 faces at once in a single video. After uploading the faces, just click on Face Swap and Edimakor will do the magic. In just a few minutes, your video will be ready. Review the final result, and once you're happy with it, simply export the video. Bonus tip: if you want to swap faces in photos instead of videos, the process is almost the same. Just go back, choose Photo Face Swap, and upload your image. When the new window opens, click the plus icon to upload a clear photo of the face you want to swap in. You can also swap multiple faces in one photo, just like in videos. Once everything's ready, hit Face Swap, and in just a few seconds, your swapped photo will be ready to download. And that's it. That's how you can easily swap faces in videos and photos using Edimakor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.